Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sugar cookie cake pops. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including your favorite baked sugar cookies, cream cheese, and candy melts. Begin by crumbling your cooled sugar cookies into a fine texture in a large mixing bowl. Then, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of softened cream cheese to the cookie crumbs. This mixture will form the base of your cake pops. Once your cookie and cream cheese mixture is ready, mix it thoroughly with your hands until it forms a cohesive, dough-like consistency. Next, roll the mixture into uniform 1-inch balls, ensuring they are compact. For stability, dip the tip of each lollipop stick into a small amount of melted candy melt before inserting it about halfway into each cookie ball. Place these on a parchment-lined tray. After inserting the sticks, chill your formed cake pops in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to firm them up. While they are chilling, prepare your candy melts. Melt them in a microwave-safe bowl in 30-second intervals, stirring until completely smooth. Carefully dip each chilled cake pop into the melted candy, gently tapping to allow any excess to drip off. This creates a smooth, even coating. Once dipped, decorate your cake pops immediately with sprinkles, edible glitter, or other toppings before the candy coating sets. Place them upright in a styrofoam block or on parchment paper to dry completely. Allow the candy coating to fully harden, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Then, your delicious sugar cookie cake pops are ready to enjoy. Also, check the description for a link to a great book about money and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.